Oh, it cleared out the water down here. That's what it did.
Oh. Right, because we can't swim. I forgot about that.
Yeah, we haven't really learned how to swim yet.
That's true. I mean, our whole life we've been escaping places. Never had to swim.
It's one thing we
Oh,
probably should learn at some point. Wait.
it is a valuable skill.
So now it's the crazy wolf thing.
Oh, it said something about dogs, and then it said like hellish screams or something.
Yes.
On the other note, have you ever listened to those 30-hour tracks of the hellish sounds that make you fall asleep?
I do.
It's a great YouTube channel. They have all sorts of variations. Like, now I want man number 5 to scream tonight. Like, I just listened to
No, don't go in there. Don't go in there.
4.
I think you're just stuck.
Too boring.
Let's go this
Our
way.
mentality has changed. It's like, no, you might glitch. And?
You're saying?
Oh. Something gonna happen eventually.
Yeah, no.
Wait, nothing's
All I'm gonna say is we've been playing for over 3 hours now.
Oh, really?
Or almost 3 hours, yeah. This is a long mission.
Oh! No, I'll get you eventually. Gotta run away.
My brain feels kind of funny again. Oh, bugs.
No.
No. They're all here. Oh no, we're back here again.
Oh, Daryl. Oh, Daryl. Oh, Daryl doing his demonic yoga again. I love it. I love it.
Hiya humba, hiya humba. We never even got to the wait, that's the wrong way.
Did it ever save?
No, there was never a save point yet.
Ah.
Don't worry, we got plenty of lights to guide our way over here.
Oh, that's good. Follow the one clear path.
the one solid color path. And that thing, that went from like just chill to definitely no chill very quickly.
There's nowhere. Like, what do we do?
Is this normal?
Yep, definitely normal. Whoa, what? You're walking in the sky.
Didn't you learn how to walk in the sky? I don't know how to swim, but I know how to walk in the sky. I thought you knew it was way up.
I did not have Levitation 101. I did not take that class.
I think that. Oh yeah, that's right. Because you flunked that one year, didn't you? You flunked 11th grade, didn't you?
That's yeah. Made me feel the pain all over again. As if I didn't get insulted by like 27 Daryls one day. I had to just bring it up, continue the cycle. Oh, I want to forget high school. Thinking Daryl High, what kind of a high school?
What's over here?
Coincidentally shared the family name.
The good old Daryl High School. Nothing. And this.
I don't even know where to go. Oh no! I couldn't even see it. I just stepped on it.
I got you. Or not. Why did I
Oh,
die?
whoops, oh wait, what? You died?
I just randomly just died.
Oh. Okay, well I killed myself. Welcome. Apparently, you do an animation and you come back. You have like
Yeah,
you're on
you
the
like,
ground, lying
yeah,
down, and then you do a
get
little
up.
push-up kind of deal.
Yeah.
I've never watched a person rise from the dead before.
You just appear out of nowhere. Just walk in.
I also flunked the prerequisite class for Resurrection 101.
Ah.
So, you know, let's just stand here for a second. Let's just, it's bad. We're just standing here. You just hear it.
Yeah, hello, just looking at it.
Wait, you make eye contact so we
Yeah.
can't see.
So, how's it going today?
Oh, we're so stupid.
No, just hold on, okay.
It's like, did I tell you about the time? Wait. Did I tell you about that time?
Little clunk.
Oh,
Oh my gosh! All right.
that kind of stuff happens later at the night. Like,
Oh look, a boat.
oh, I like boats. You look, we're saved. The life
Oh, no.
preserver. Don't worry, we got a light. Ah.
just watch your arms go up. Ah.
Ah. Praise the sun gods. Ah.
Dock is this away. Oh, here, save point or checkpoint.
Oh. run for the same point.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hallelujah,
That'd be a great
hallelujah,
text tone as well.
hallelujah.
Oh, whoa. And they got Jim on the docks, completely torn into pieces before dragging him into the swamp. Oh, that sounds familiar. That was gonna get me too, but I managed to hide out in a shack. Looks like they're here and ain't great. I'm gonna try get to the boat. Hopefully Nash hasn't taken it, Wyatt.
Reminder to self. Left boat keys with Nash. Said he might need to make a trip to pick up some parts to finish up the pig pen. I hope he remembers to refuel the boat. Why?
Wow.
Well, that means we have to refuel it.
This thing does not save until we beat it. I'm guessing, right? I don't think it did that
Correct.
before.
Yeah, you have to.
They should fix that.
Yeah.
Just a pro tip. Developers, if you're watching this right now, please let the save points be like,
Actual save.
actually like.
Oh!
You're on your own, buddy.
Oh! Oh my God!
Okay,
Run! Run!
I got you.
Bees, and there's a big dog.
Oh! Oh no!
Oh my! Oh, that is
Oh, wait, actually-
terrifying.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fun. Daryl needs to take some medication.
Holy smokes!
You open that door. It's like, I don't know what that is, but I don't want to be around to find out.
I didn't even. I saw a black blur come, like, just shooting through. I hear the noise and a black blur, and I'm dead. Like, there was no animation. I was just dead.
Yeah.
Oh
Like,
my god!
I don't like the idea of abandoning you, but it was like, I'm sorry, buddy.
Like, it was inside the
nothing
house.
else.
It was inside the house.
Yeah. That was sketchy. That was sketchy.
Alright.
Also, I wasn't even joking about the medication. I'm about to swallow some pills.
I don't like that. It's just gone. I see Daryl in there.
Hey, it happens when you're nervous. Nobody's blaming you for it.
Making a little circle.
Oh, actually, showing me.
I'm kind of scared to go anywhere else.
Would it make you feel better if I open the door this time?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, where were you in it?
We were over there somewhere, but I think we were about to enter into that house right there.
Okay.
Did you hear that? I did too.
Okay. Thought that could just be me hearing the ambience, but well, seems safe to me.
Oh, hey,
seems
look,
totally fine.
alligator.
Oh, fun.
Heading to the mines, I think I can end this for good, Jean. Daryl,
Yeah.
I found a key. And there's also another
Oh, where
area
was
that we way over there. Follow me.
Oh, really?
There's a dog over there, though.
Oh, gotcha.
There's another way that we have to go through, but it walks through it all the time.
Okay.
So yeah, the building right across is where I found the thing at. It just walks through the area that we need to go.
Oh.
So we just need to wait for him to come back and walk through again. Don't go too fast.
We're gonna die here.
Don't run. Oh, it's
Oh,
there.
oh,
Back
oh.
up, back up, back up, back up! I tried to warn you.
I deserve that. Drawing towards you. Bleed out pretty soon, but don't worry if you can't get me.
I got you.
Thank
I
you.
saw it and I was like trying to be like, back up, back up, back up, but you just kept going.
Oh, I thought you were just like generally being like, oh, be careful. It's like,
Yeah.
I cannot see anything on my screen. I'm gonna try to add the brightness in the game all the way up.
Yeah, mess with it on your computer. Follow me. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh look, a note.
Oh, fun.
Think you're funny? I'm running this mill by myself since the evacuation of the last. That scared the crap out of me. That scared
the note as well.
That scared the crap. I couldn't get at the note. Oh my gosh, that scared the crap out of me.
Oh.
That scared the crap out of me, dude.
That
I was like, oh
great.
yeah, we're safe. The dog's over on the other side of the map. We're fine. Nope.
The dog planted that note. The dog. Like, you think you're funny?
I feel a little careful this time.
Yeah. You read the
Leroy.
note. I'm gonna hide behind this barrel.
Also, the note is gone.
Not for me.
It's there. It's there. It's there.
Oh, yep. I thought I heard a noise. Wow, goodness. I heard something
Dude,
when we're
that
over
thing is
there.
taller than you.
I think it grew. Or
It
it's a
did.
different one.
Because
Yeah.
you see the cross beam that going across the door?
Yeah,
It's
I caught
taller
a
than that.
glance at it, like a glance at it. It's yeah. Here's the thing. I went over there. This happened last time too, but it happened now. I went to the note. It's like kind of sounds like static on the radio in the background. What is that coming from?
That's machinery in there. I think there's
And-
machinery on. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Hey, back up,
Okay,
back up, back up, back up,
I'm
back
hiding here.
up.
Okay, yep.
That thing is huge.
Okay, hopefully these are here on purpose that it can't see us, but we can. Okay, it kind of went back in. Okay, I'm gonna try to read the note. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that is the machine. Okay. Think you're funny? I'm running this mill by myself since the evacuation. Last thing I need is some fool playing pranks on me. The moron knocking shelves and barrels over. This is your one chance to stop before I break your legs. Big Jim, all caps.
Dang.
Okay, so maybe there's piles of stuff we can hide behind in there or something. Maybe they can fall over and attract it, or it will knock them over and we can't hide or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's take the long way around. I want to see what's around here. Oh boy.
It appears to be locked. Okay, yeah, I went back in. I went back inside.
What did you learn?
I think it saw me through the window. Never go near people again.
I was like, all right, yeah. Let's just take this long road around so we can see what's around here. And you just walk off in that direction. I'm like, oh, okay.
Okay, I think it saw me through the window or something. It clipped through the wall.
Wait, it
charged
walked
at
through
me,
the
like,
wall?
at least partially, like part of its body, at least, clipped through the wall.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you could argue half of it went through the window, but it was a tiny window.
Hold on.
Like a fairly
Don't get
tiny
close
window.
because there's a big opening here. What's here? Run.
Okay. 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 La 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 la. That thing's creepy. Oh.
Hey, big meanie.
La 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 la. I'm running. Look, I'm running. Okay, yeah.
I think we have to follow it behind it.
Maybe so. Oh, maybe that's what the track is trying to tell us to do or something. Like, oh, see, it walks in this thing. Better follow
Alright,
it.
so I just went around that back corner. We're walking over there now. Head up.
Oh, gross.
And upstairs over here. Oh, it's coming
thing.
this way.
Picked up a thing, a lever thingy.
Okay, cool. It's still underneath.
Lumber.
This might be bad.
Oh no. Jim, here's a couple instructions in case you get stuck. Okay, we brought up the logs with the wrench. Open up the log clamps. Use the control panel to move a log into the caddy. Secure the clamps. Gently push the caddy through the mill. Smash.
The lever. Oh, okay. We need we need another lever here. Missing a lever.
What happens if I? Oh, that mentally hurts. Oh. Oh, this might be even worse.
Oh no! No! You're never having children again. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah. Okay. Objective updated.
What did we do?
I know what that's about.
It's gonna be coming around here any second. We gotta move.
Oh, look, lever. Good job.
Nice. Head back up. It's coming around. It's coming around.
Okay. Oh crap. I'll meet you later.
I did a thing on accident. his way back. What? How did you die again? Are you doing alright over there?
Okay, I'm not totally sure how to get back, but I think I know the general direction.
So-
and the dog is spawn camping me, essentially, or he's
So-
like camping out the way.
So once you walk out of that
Here.
door, there's
Spawn here. I died and I spawned right here. I'm at the thing.
Oh, wait.
I'm where you're at.
Oh, okay, cool.
I don't know why. Why didn't it always do this to me?
Hey, look at the
See,
window.
look.
Look at the window. Here, catch this. Catch.
Oh, out.
Oh no.
Daryl, you did this to me. Don't you look away. Watch at what you've done. What? Oh, ow.
Catch
You
this.
did my death. Oh. It better spawn me back here.
Hold up.
It better spawn me back here.
Come on, stay alive.
No, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
No way.
I got you.
I took a screenshot. Oh, man.
All right.
Wow.
Ooh, hold up. Hold up. It's right there. It's right there. Hold up. Back up.
Yep.
Also, hey, look at me.
Yeah. How do you chuck it like that?
You just throw it. Just throw it.
I just need to believe.
You just gotta believe. Yay!
You're right. I can't believe that worked. For some reason, it's like, just believe me, holding left click longer. Yes, it does. That's actually good to know.
Oh,
Yeah, we good?
hold on. Yep.
I'm good. I'm waiting to die again.
Yeah,
You put some glow sticks here.
I was sitting there like tossing them down, and then suddenly I just threw it overhand. I was like, wait a second. Alright, so I had hit this button right here, and it picked up the log and set it here.
Gotcha.
Okay, open the log clamp. Okay, so now we need to close that, yeah. And then I push it. Oh god. What? What?
Okay.
I mean,
sure.
alright.
Which way do I go? I can't tell which way. There?
Oh, right
Oh,
there.
shit.
What would happen if
Dog.
you hit it with it? Where is
I'm
that dog?
about to find out. Okay, here's a shot. Here's a shot.
Oh, it went right through it.
Oh, sad.
I don't see it.
Okay.
Objective update. Escape the swamp.
But this is my swamp.
Oh, it's my swamp. Alright, right here. Right here. Found the dock.
The swamp is your swamp. The
Oh my
swamp is
gosh,
mine.
dude, look at all the fish.
Hope you like sushi.
Right?
Oh, go!
Hey Wyatt,
yeah.
figured I'd leave you a note since I can't find you anywhere. Looks like the storm washed away the boat fuel at the dock. Should be some spare cans in town. Don't have time to get them right now. Need to finish up the pig pen.
Wait, it said spare ones in town.
Yep.
So now we have to. Oh, so now it spawns fuel in the town, and I'm sure the dog is roaming the area now.
Yep.
Okay. Cool. It's fine. It's fine. It's not fine. It's not fine.
It's
Can I
not.
jump into here? I can't.